Great. Todd's back now this Wednesday morning with a full check of the weather. And Todd, it really feels kind of like December should feel outside this morning.
Yeah, we've had some big swings in our temps over the last several days, up, down, you know, in the middle. But yeah, this kind of feels like that midwinter temps who got in the 20s and teens out there right now. So the cold has returned, and it's going to take a little while to scour it out. But we will again, and second half of our week here, tomorrow and Friday, it's actually going to warm up quite a bit behind this warm front right here, which has some precipitation, and it's rain out there in the Midwest and over the Great Lakes. But as it moves into northern New England, it'll encounter this cold, and I'm thinking we're going to get a little thump of snow right after dark for a lot of the interior. This morning will be nice and bright, a good amount of sunshine out there. Cold, yes, but no wind, so that's kind of nice. Midday, we'll call it partly sunny as the clouds continue to stream in from the west. We'll have that winter feel, mid-30s, still no wind though. Afternoon and evening, it's cloudy, and those clouds will be thickening up, but no precipitation for the commute, so you'll get home fine. Late in the evening, these snow showers and rain showers will be moving in. Looks like between 8 o'clock and 10 o'clock from west to east. So we'll pick up the story right then. Around 10 o'clock, we've got snow for the interior, rain right along the coastline. There may be some wet flakes that mix in even in the Portland area, but I do not expect accumulation at all. You've got to get up through Lewiston, Augusta, Bangor, and points north to see that accumulation. But during the middle of the night, probably between like 11 and 2 a.m., about a 3-hour window there, we're going to get a nice little thump of snow inland. It'll come down at a pretty good rate. Roads will get slippery and greasy and snow covered, and plows will need to go out and treat roads and plow them off too. But by tomorrow morning, a lot of that precipitation is out of here. Now, there's still going to be some lingering showers around, and if you notice, the temperatures inland in some of these valleys aren't all that warm. They're going to be around 32. So it still could be a little icy early tomorrow morning for the morning commute. But for the most part, a lot of us will have warmed up by then, and it'll be much better on the roads. So it looks like 1 to 3 inches up through the foothills, mountains, central highlands, and far north. The higher peaks, by the way, could get 4, maybe even 4.5 inches. And then on top of that, there's a good chance for a little icy glaze, and that's why roads, especially up north, are going to be tough. In between that and the rain along the coastline, we've got this zone for Bangor, Augusta, Lewiston, down through Sebago Lake and interior York County, where we'll likely see a coating of snow, maybe up to an inch, with a glaze possible. But we'll be warming up quickly by tomorrow morning. So for the most part, this is a middle of the night problem. Tomorrow during the day, we're clearing out a little bit. We're hitting 50. Stays very warm to finish the week too, around 50 degrees on Friday. And then another cold front passes. This weekend cold blast means business. This will feel like January cold. And we've got a storm that'll be forming in the Ohio Valley, moving up through the mid-Atlantic and off the coastline. There's still some question as to how far north it's going to get, but it does look like we are going to end up with some sort of snow here late Saturday, Saturday night into Sunday morning. And it may actually be several inches, especially for southern Maine, closest to that area of low pressure. So that's our next focus, the weekend, and that's a pretty good snow chance. Small crafts are up, seas 1 to 2 feet, north winds gusting at times to 20 knots. We'll see increasing clouds today, mixed high temperatures in the mid-30s. Tonight, that's snow inland, rain for the coastline. It'll be a little slick early on tomorrow, but we'll warm up quickly, hitting 50 degrees in the afternoon. Looks warm on Friday, and then over the weekend, that snow chance Saturday night into Sunday morning. Behind it, it stays cold to start Christmas week. So that'd be kind of nice. We might be able to keep any snow that we get, Chloe, this weekend. That's provided we get some, and I think we probably will.
Fingers crossed. That's kind of what I've been hoping for.
I just dropped the clicker to cross my fingers.
Okay, we're getting started. All right, thanks, Todd.